Now, from the downtown of Northwest Arkansas, in Uptown Rogers, with weather from Bentonville to Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and beyond, here's Oz weather meteorologist, Garrett Lewis.
What is up? Good Saturday morning. It is March 30th. Made it to the end of the month. Can you believe we're through the first quarter of the year? Man, oh man. Well, the weather today is going to be a lot like yesterday. Lots of wind, lots of warmth, and lots of, allergies. But hey, at least it's nice out there. Some high level clouds will move throughout the day today, but those winds will be a big problem. They could gust upwards of 30 or 40 miles an hour again today, much like they did yesterday. So let's take a look at what's going on as we head outside. This is a live look at Uptown Rogers looking north. We have a little bit of clouds here and there, but for the most part, it's just high level cirrus. Most of us are under clear skies, and the clear skies are going to continue for the next couple of days or so as we head through this sunrise. Great weather for us moving into the next day or two. Let's look ahead towards our temperatures. Right now, we're waking up to temperatures that are in the 50s to near 60. This is pretty warm, isn't it? It's 61 out towards Fayetteville. We're 59. 59 degrees in Springdale, 58 over in Rogers. Looks like the wind speeds out there are south at about 5 or 10, so we already have a little bit of wind. Fort Smith didn't get the wind as much. Temperatures fell to 54 degrees. It's 59 out there towards Poteau. As far as Easter weekend goes, these are afternoon temperatures. Highs will be just about 3 degrees warmer than this. High temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s, closing in on 80 across the Fort Smith area. Pretty warm. And then tomorrow morning, if you're headed out to Easter sunrise services, temperatures are going to be running somewhere in the 60s. This is actually a pretty good looking Easter, right? Because a lot of times it seems like we get a lot of rain on Easter. Not so much so for tomorrow. We'll have clear skies to start the day. Temperatures will be comfortable too. If you're having some outside services, temperatures will be in the mid 60s with clear skies. Sunrise, guys, is going to be at 7:05. So what in the world is the next big system moving in? Well, here it is, the upper level wind pattern on Monday. You have a lot of these those red colors that are overspreading the area. What's happening is you get what's called divergence aloft, where you have winds moving in opposite directions. That almost acts as a lift to lift more air up from the surface. If you're taking away a bunch of mass at the top of the atmosphere, something's got to rise from the bottom. So that's what we're looking at with the jet stream. There's a lot of upper level winds. That means there's a lot of turning with height, which gives us the possibility of some severe weather, including the potential for some large hail, even some tornadoes. So as far as the surface charts go, let's take a look where we are now. Here's where we are now. We got that front to the west, and then as we move into Sunday, you can see that front starting to slide towards the east. This is Sunday morning with the low pressure to the west, wind speed starting to tighten up. And then as we get into Monday, Monday's the day to watch for severe weather as that front starts to move on in. And then it should be gone by Tuesday. But Monday and Tuesday are when the low moves through. We'll have north winds pouring in behind it. It's actually going to be kind of chilly out there. And dare I say, we may even see a light frost Wednesday morning. I hope not. It'll be close, but it doesn't look like it's going to be as solid of a chance as what we had last go around. The wind today is going to be big, though. The wind behind this system is going to be big, and that system may be big. These are the severe weather probabilities. Right now, the highest risk of severe weather on Monday is Monday evening and night. You can see the dark red colors, the area to watch. It's generally centered around the I-44 corridor in northeast Oklahoma, back down through northwest Arkansas from Fort Smith to Fayetteville, Bentonville, and Rogers, and west out towards Sallisaw, Oklahoma City. It's about a 3 on a scale of 1 to 5 right now. Some pretty high severe weather probabilities as we head into this upcoming weekend. Early next week. It's Monday is the day to watch. After the system moves out, though, it actually looks pretty good for the rest of the week. Have a great Saturday. Watch out for that wind. It's going to be strong again today. Many of us will have gusts approaching 40 miles an hour. That does present a brush fire danger, which is somewhat offset by the high level cloudiness that'll be moving in both today and again for tomorrow. Make it a great Saturday, guys. I'll see you back here tomorrow.